Hello, I am doing a double critique. I've got pretty much the same message for both of you that you just need to do more work. You need to slow down. I think these shapes are pretty good. I don't think copying and pasting it makes it look like a bunch of bananas, though. I think you can copy and paste, but then you want to rotate and then move the points around so they look like individual bananas. Right here, I think this is a start of a good shape, but then you kind of lose it up near the stem where it's no longer smooth. So move the stem down and smooth out these edges. But if you're going to do two apples, you want them to look look different. So, you could change the shape of the stem. You could make the leaf bigger, more realistic. You could make this apple a little fatter. There's so much you can do in Illustrator since it's vector based. You can change it instantly. And then from there, you want to change the colors so it doesn't look like one unit. I can see you know how to use a gradient, so you can do that. Make it a radial gradient on here. I think the grapes are a good start. I like that you made them different sizes. I also really like the color. No grapes have a double leaf like that. It looks like you just copy and pasted this leaf. So, take the time, look for a photograph of a grape and draw the leaf carefully. And then from there, add radial gradients to the grapes. If you look at the critique I did for Delta did a beautiful job of tracing from photos, I'm assuming. And he used a nice gradient mesh for the banana. I think he could add more to the shading for a little bit more contrast. And then for the apple, I suggested that he use the radial gradient. So I did a pretty complete demo for that one. So take a look at his critique to see how that could assist you. All right. So the other one, same. You got to slow down and draw more carefully. So this doesn't look like an apple. These sort of look like grapes, but they're so cartoonish, especially with these leaves, that it takes me right out of it. So I like the idea. I can see you know how to use a gradient, but you need to think in terms of realism. So trace a photo of an apple. Look at grapes and see how they're different sizes. Make the highlights all emanate from the same sun, so they all kind of go in the same direction. Look carefully at a banana. Trace the outline of one. Add your own color. Add your own brush style. These are all skills that you have. You just have to slow your mind down. Put on a TV show that you like. Put on your headphones with music that you love. It can be a little tedious, but once you plow through it, you carefully trace these shapes from photos, you can start to have fun with it. And you can work on making things look a little bit more realistic. Okay, you definitely have the skills in your toolkit. Just got to do it. All right, I'm interested to think what you two think of each other's work. Let me know if you have any questions.